Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a portable happy birthday card for your friends or one of your family members. Okay, let's get started. So, what you're gonna need for this craft is you're gonna need an A4 sheet of paper and some textures. Now, the first step is to fold the A4 sheet of paper in half vertically and crease the outside. Then unfold. Next, you have to take the top right corner and fold it like this and crease it. Do the same on all three corners. The next step is to turn the page horizontally and then take the bottom edge and line it up with the middle crease. Do the same for both sides and crease. Next, take the right hand corner and fold it like this. Do the same for the left hand as well. Now it is time to decorate. Flip the page over and make your very own happy birthday design. If you want, you can copy, but I'm gonna speed this up a bit. Now, the next step is to make your paper horizontal and then fold approximately 1/3 over. After you have done that, crease. Then fold the right hand side over the left hand side and crease again. Then unfold it both. Fold the right hand first this time and open the triangle that's located in it. Then take the two corners and shove it into the two gaps. After you have done that, it should look like this. Crease over the top edge just to make sure it'll open normally. Now it is time to decorate the outside. In the small diamond, write "Pull Me," such as I have. This section of the video will show you how to open and close your card. And remember, practice makes perfect.